Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, I am Dipendra Shekhawat, and on this channel we deep dive into RPA and automation related topics. So if you are passionate about robotic process automation and want to grow your career into this field, then you are at the right place. Today we are going to talk about how you can grow as a RPA developer, what skills you need, how to build your portfolio, and what strategies do you need to stand out in this ever evolving space. So let's get started. First things first, mastering the fundamentals is crucial. As an RPA developer, you need to have a strong grasp of basic concepts. This includes understanding what RPA is, how it works, and what are the common tools used in the industry, like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and Power Automate. Spend some time in getting comfortable with these tools. You can pick one tool of your choice and start with the basics and then eventually move towards the complex workflows. There are plenty of free resources available, including online courses and tutorials that can help you get started. While many RPA tools offer drag and drop features, knowing programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and C# can give you significant edge. These languages can help you build more advanced bot, customize automation, scale automations, and solve complex problems that might not be possible with out-of-the-box solutions. Start small, write scripts to automate simple tasks. As you grow more confident, integrate these scripts into your RPA tasks or RPA projects to enhance their functionality. Your portfolio is your proof of expertise. Start automating everyday tasks, whether it's web scraping, data entry, or email automation. Document these projects and showcase them on a platform like GitHub or your personal website. Remember, potential employers or clients are looking for real-world examples what you can do. So the more diverse your projects, the better. The RPA space is constantly evolving with new tools, capabilities, and best practices emerging all the time. Make it a habit to stay updated by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and joining online communities. Networking with other professionals into this field can also provide you insights about where the industry is heading and what's trending. One of the best way to grow as a RPA developer is start giving back to the community. Start writing blogs, contribute to the forums, or even start by creating your YouTube channel and share knowledge. Or maybe you can choose LinkedIn as a platform to share your articles or share your learnings. Not only does this help others, but it also establishes yourself as a professional into this space. There you have it, some actionable tips that helps to grow your career as a RPA developer. Remember, it's all about continuous learning, building real-time projects, and staying connected with the community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your fellow RPA enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, feel free to drop your queries in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.